Odisha Mines Minister Bibhuti Bhushan Jena has issued a strict warning to sand and mineral mafias in the state, declaring a zero-tolerance policy for illegal mining and mineral theft. The minister emphasized that major mineral smugglers, sand mafias, organized mining groups, and illegal operators will face decisive action with no exceptions. Authorities have already conducted raids across several districts, resulting in arrests and the seizure of vehicles involved in illegal activities. Tehsildars, sub-collectors, district collectors, and police are coordinating closely to curb the operations of these mafias. The minister also stressed that anyone attempting to intimidate officials or evade enforcement will face stronger and more comprehensive action. Recent incidents highlight the risks involved. In Betanoti, 3 individuals were arrested after illegal sand transport was intercepted. Tensions escalated in Baripara when the newly appointed Betanoti Tehsildar was attacked by sand mafias in retaliation, leaving the officer's driver with serious injuries. To ensure transparency, the state has revised its mining procedures, replacing e-auctions with e-lotteries. Only organizations with technical clearance and prior experience in mineral extraction will be allowed to participate. Officials say these steps aim to balance legal operations while cracking down on illegal mining across Odisha.
कैबिनेट निष्पत्ति जो है जे आउ ई ऑक्शन हम ना ई लॉटरी हम एवं कैपिंग हम कौन सी संतुलन रक्षा हम जो मैक्सिमम सेल प्राइस निर्धारित हम जमती कि आपनकर प्रोडक्शन कस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एवं जहाँ आनुषंगिक स्ट्रक्चर जो रॉयल्टी डीएमएफ ईएमएफ सरफेस रेंटर कथा ता सहित तार प्रॉफिट ये सब आकलन करी गोटे एमएसपी निर्धारित से एमएसपी रू कि अधिक बिक्री करें ना एवं तदनुजाई जार खनि उत्तोलन दिगरे अनुभूति अच्छी तार टेक्निकल क्लीयरेंस पर ही ई लॉटरी भाग नबार सुजोग दिया।